mouth. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it.
Okay, good morning, welcome to Southern Cross. Yeah, got not much to do, it's a pretty shitty day. I've got an old bit of aluminium here, checker plate. So I'm going to make me a new little high banker or river sluice. So I've got this matting here that I use. You've probably seen it in one of my sluice mat video. It's just actually floor mat, but it's really good stuff for catching the gold. These little circles catch the gold, it's really good. And this stuff here, I've got this on my sluices up in Sluice. This is like just another car floor mat or door mat, and it's got little tiny squares with really shallow little pockets, and this is really good for cleaning up. You just run a slow flow of water down it, and it catches all the fine stuff. So I'm going to put that in the top end up here, and I put all this down here. You don't need riffles with this stuff, it just catches everything. It's brilliant. And this stuff will be where I'll be dumping all my concentrates, and yeah, where the high banker will spill over onto. It'll be a river sluice, but it'll be a convertible high banker. Alright, so get this down to the steel place and get it bent up. Okay, we'll just go down and get this steel bent up. If he'll do it, he's a bit of a dickhead. Last time I was down there, he told me only bend it if I buy steel off him. Let's get some money out ready. Give him $2 a bend. It'll be worth $4 to get it bent up. See what happens. Hey mate, bisa bengkok ini?
Bisa, tapi sudah tekuknya.
Ya, bengkok gitu, bisa?
Tekuk.
Ya, bengkok.
Iya, tekuknya.
Bisa?
Bisa. Tapi tukang tekuknya belum ada.
Hah?
Tukang tekuknya, ini ketimbangnya sih.
40 bengkok sekarang, bisa kamu?
Gak bisa ya, tukang.
Tak bisa?
Tukang tekuk.
Tak ada orang di sini? Oh ya, oke. Kapan di sini dia?
Ntar balik.
Oke.
Jam-jam habis jam 12 jam 1.
Oke, aku kembali ya.
Ya.
Terima kasih. Jack running flat out. Oh, Jack, whoa, Blackie, look at Blackie go. Wow. Inside, Marty. Yes, Jack, go on, out. Okay, so I've just got my Stanley knife. Cut this clean up sluice up. I'll use this as a clean up sluice, and I'll just cut a smaller piece as well for the top half of the main sluice. And yeah, go back and pick up that steel and aluminium. And done it. Yeah, it's been moved. Oh yes. Right. Huh? There. It's got deep sides, but this one, isn't it? Huh? Berapa? Hah? 10. 20. Okay. Thank you.
Bikin lagi di sini. Tapi nggak ada jual.
Alright. It's done. Look how deep the sides are on it. Anyway, it's probably better with a high bunker. I'll run a lot of water through it. Seems a bit high, but it doesn't matter. Nothing will escape. Whoops. Seems a bit high, but nothing will escape from that. It's 135, it's nearly 6 inches deep. But anyway, that's what it is. What are you doing, Liz? Coming in? Anyway, back from the steel place. And yeah, there it is. Okay, so we've got our mats here. Let's see how they go in it. Perfect. And basically, that'll be it. So I'll just use this stuff. You can put miners moss underneath this stuff if you want. I don't bother, but you can. It's just more to clean out. And this is me dumping ground here. I'll cut that off. And this is that fine stuff which I'll use when I do cleanups. And yeah, basically that's it. This matting stuff really does work well. And yeah, it's easy to clean. And after you get your main clean out, you just take that out, run it all through this one. Run everything over this fine stuff at a lower angle and slower water flow, and that'll catch all your gold and separate a lot of the black sand, most of it. And have to just do a quick pan and finish it off. Beautiful. The Dong Sluice. Well, I'll show you how this mat works as a clean-up sluice. Just run a nose on it. It's a rough test. Obviously you can see the water flow there. Just trickles over it slowly. It's good for separating your black sand and your gold. And works really good. Need a lot more pressure than this but to run the other mat through it. But as a cleanup, perfect, just with a garden hose even.